Hello, my friend.
Hey guys.
So we are on our Alaska trip. And
Yes.
this is our Alaska series.
It's an official series.
It is a series. And we just arrived into Seward, Alaska.
Yep.
It's in the Kenai Peninsula.
Yes, and we're at the Seward Campground?
The Resurrection Campground. Yep.
Yeah, so it's an actual campground. There's RVs everywhere.
Yes.
And for a couple nights and as a base camp as we go out and explore.
We're gonna do some exploring and some fun adventures. So we'll just watch. You'll see.
Yeah,
you'll see.
Yeah.
But first I have to show you the view. This is looking out over the back of our campsite. We got mountains, we got sailboats on there. We got some big RVs. There's Frank and Ellen's camper, and then there's our Overlander camper. So this is a beautiful site for the next 2 nights. All right, we have arrived at Kenai Fjords National Park at the Exit Glacier area, and we're gonna go check out Exit Glacier, but this is one of our national parks that we want to see. Look at how big this glacier was in the 1800s. It was all the way down to here. In the 1900s, it's shrunk down to here. And then in the early 2000s, it's only this big. So these glaciers are definitely melting. That's crazy. Okay, it's a beautiful day for a hike. So we are going to the glacier overlook.
Yep.
We're gonna hike up there, and I think it's 2 miles.
2 miles? One way, we think?
Yeah, we don't know.
We don't know. We're ready for it,
But
though.
that's okay.
We got water?
We do have water. That's all we need. But we're gonna go see where the glacier ends at this point.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Along the way, they show you where the glacier was at any point in time. So in 1926, it was right here. But it's gone back
And we're
and back
like
and
2
back.
miles away,
Yeah,
or
it's
a mile
crazy.
away. So, yeah. All right, it's pretty windy up here, but we're at the end of the trail, and the sign says 2010. So in 15 years, the glacier was here and is now way up there. Wow. Glaciers are really melting quite a bit. That was a really nice view, and it is gorgeous up here.
Like breathtaking. It's just...
It was about 0.9,
Yeah.
almost a mile up,
Well,
and then now we're heading back down.
But
So definitely worth it.
It's crazy to think like maybe the next generation may not ever see that. It's receding so fast.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
glad we got to see it.
Yeah. Okay, here is part of the city of Seward. This is down at the harbor. Tonight we're gonna try halibut at Alaska Seafood Grill, and Joel's never had halibut, and he's not a big seafood eater, so he's also ordered it, so hopefully it's good. All right, Joel's gonna try his halibut.
It's falling apart.
That's right, it's supposed to be, it's nice and flaky. Is it good?
Good.
Yeah?
I'd do it again.
All right, well good, that's a win. Okay, we were actually up at sunrise, but it's a little cloudy. The sun is coming up over the mountains. Okay, we are out and about today.
Out and about? That's like a Canadian thing, isn't it? Out and about?
I don't know where that came from. So we took the free shuttle down to the marina area, and now we are going on a boat to do the like a 6 hour
6 hours?
6 hours.
I hope they have a bathroom.
They give us lunch too.
Oh, perfect.
Kenai Fjords National Park tour.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll see like whales and other kind of marine life. But it's a cloudy day, but it's not too cold yet.
6 hours?
6 hours.
Okay, we'll
Obviously, he doesn't pay attention when I tell him things.
I don't. I really don't.
Because a lot of the other pods are significantly smaller, and it's extremely rare for us to see this number of animals all at once. Quite commonly, we see one of the pods that has 10 or 15 members, and we only see 4 or 5 members of them at any given moment as they're spread out fishing, that sort of thing. So this is kind of a orca suit day that we don't commonly get. So right now we've got us positioned, we've got animals out ahead of us, off to our port bow, off to our starboard distance. We've got a few directly off our starboard side right now here traveling along with us.
Found some interesting facts today.
So apparently no trip to Seward is complete without seeing mile 0 of where the Iditarod Trail started in 1908.
1908.
So.
And how long is the trail?
512 miles.
512 miles.
And
from
Seward?
Seward,
and then it goes northwest to Nome,
Alaska.
So 512 miles of tough sledding.
It started out as like a mail ride or something like
Yeah.
that. That was interesting.
Yep. So I didn't know Seward was the place.
Seward.
Seward. No, there's no T.
He's still figuring these names out of these cities. All right, well, this is pretty cool. I love it.
All right, so I gotta admit, I'm wrong twice. So not only is there no T in Seward, right? It's not Stewart, it's Seward, but it's not 512 miles, it's 958 miles.
Mm-hmm.
So
When we actually
I only
looked
made it
at
like
the
halfway.
Joe only made it halfway.
Oh,
That's
I
funny.
hate being wrong.
All right, we're gonna say goodbye to Seward. We're leaving in the morning.
Yes, we are, and we had a lot of fun up here in Seward. No T, and hopefully you enjoyed the video.
And this was one video of our Alaskan series. So
Yes.
please check in and go look for all of our other ones.
More adventures to come.
Yes. So if you enjoyed this one though, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Bloop, bloop.
And that way you'll also be notified when our other videos post.
Yes.
And that's about it, right?
We're done.
All right, keep checking for our rest of our Alaska series and have a glorious day.
See you guys.
Bye.